Hi everyone, welcome to Fontana, Wisconsin. I want to share with you the wonderful opportunity the folks in Fontana gave me in 2004 to begin building perennial gardens on their boulevards and open spaces, the village hall and coffee shop. And what it allowed me to do was show the possibilities of plants to people in wonderful living communities and show the health and well-being that the plants can provide for themselves, and we can manage the care and stewardship of the plants in a much healthier way once we put these communities together. So again, welcome to Fontana, and let's take a look at some of the plantings that we've created and evolved in the last 15 years. When we started here in the year 2004, I believe, the boulevards were 12 years old, half the plantings, and they were basically Sedum Autumn Joy, Rudbeckia Goldstrom, and Echinacea purpurea. They were all starting to decline and die, and we had conditions that are rough for plants. We only had about 24 inches of soil, and we had 12 years of wood mulch to plant through. So the idea was to come up with a plant palette that could live in accumulated wood as it oxidized, stay healthy, and keep enhancing the plantings as time went on. As our first initial plantings matured, we kept enhancing and adding plants to that, and the whole key was to minimize the care and maintenance costs so we could keep things consistent for the village. That was our goal and objective, was to maintain a steady cost for the plantings through the years. So let's look at the 2019, where we're at with everything. Since 2004, we've added much more diversity to what was here. We've got established plant communities that are providing care and health and well-being for themselves by the way the plants are now interacting with each other. We've minimized our input, so we have a steady occurrence of time we spend out here, and we haven't had to raise costs dramatically over the last 10 years. So they've been able to maintain a steady budget, and we've still been able to enhance the plantings, encourage plants to perform at the highest level, and minimize the use for mulch at all. Everything is mowed, and we leave the plants live in their own litter. Thank you. See you later. Thank you. See you later.